He wants you to succeed. Have faith of a mustard seed. Get up on your feet. Rise up.
On behalf of the Drexel SEMA Show, I want to take this opportunity to say a Merry Christmas to all of you. I know we set aside a day for Christmas, December 25th. And of course, we don't know the day that Jesus was born, but it's a time that we do to celebrate. I would encourage all of us to celebrate each day as if it was Christmas Day, because without the birth of Jesus Christ, we don't know where we would be. And I hope that 2025 will bring a great joy to all of you. I know many of us have experienced so much sadness, so much sicknesses, so much diseases, but God is a God that heals. And so give him thanks and give him praise, and hopefully in 2025 you'll be in a better state. I also want to thank Community Christian Academy. That's a school, that's a branch or a ministry of the church that I attend, Community Fellowship Center, Assemblies of God, for their renditions for this episode today. Thank you so much to the young people for singing those songs. I appreciate it, and rendering your musical selection. Thank you so much. This is my last show for 2024. I'll be back in 2025. Have a great, great Merry Christmas.
I wonder where you cold that night, lying there by Mary's side, taking your first breath. I wonder where you scared to death, fully human, fully God, full of wonder and the blood. The one day you would shed to save the world. Tiny feet and tiny hands, with all the earth at their command. There's a mystery to you, sweet baby Jesus. Come down to love us, to lie in a manger, so far from home. You could have left us, helpless and so lost, but you chose to save us, sweet baby Jesus. The first time Mary held you close, all wrapped up in tattered clothes, Did you see tears fall from her eyes just above the holding her first child? Fully human, fully God, full of wonder and the blood that one day you would shed to save the world. Tiny feet and tiny hands, with all the earth at their command. Oh, as I fell straight to you, sweet baby Jesus, come down to love us, to lie in a manger, so far from home. Oh, you could have left us helpless and so lost, but you chose to save us, sweet baby Jesus. Sweet baby Jesus, come down to love us, to lie in a manger, to die on a cross. Oh, you could have left us helpless and so lost, but you chose to